How to change the font style in Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change the font style in Android. So watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch the settings on your device. Scroll down and tap Display and Brightness. Scroll down and locate Font option. Select it and open it. Currently, our font style has been set to Roboto. If you wish to change it, you can simply swipe in this way and you can easily tap on more so that you can see the more fonts available on your device. So these are all the font style available. You can simply tap on apply button to apply the font style on your Android and change it as well. For now, let's say if I wish to apply the green paper PK hello, tap on it. And once it gets loaded, it will be successfully applied to your device. As you can see that our font style has been successfully changed. Suppose if you wish to open any kind of messaging application like Notes and type a message, then you will be able to see that we have changed the font style on our Android device. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.